Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be putting use of the Pixi goodies that were sent to me from Pixi. I told you guys that I was going to be doing a review on the Dulce Candy edition, but I'm actually going to be incorporating all the beauty bloggers makeup stuff in this look. Let's go ahead and get started. I just wanted to let you guys know. Okay, allergies are kicking in at the wrong time right now. But I just wanted to let you guys know before I start my makeup, I always use the Pixi Glow Mist. Since this is a Pixi video, I thought I'd go ahead and throw that in there. I love this stuff because it is made with propolis and argan oil, which is really nice and nourishing for your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this face and we'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. I think I did pretty good on the base, so let's go ahead and do the eyes. That's usually the next step for me. The names of all the eyeshadows are going to be at the back of your palette, and I'm going to be using the Weylie Hoang palette first because I really like these reddish tones, the reddish brown tones that she has in her palette right here, and I think that'll create the perfect base for my eyes. I already went ahead and applied my eyeshadow primer. I honestly just used my concealer and set it with some powder, so we can go ahead and start off. I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's called Sista. So let's go ahead and pick that up on a fluffy brush. This is the Makeup Forever 242 brush, my favorite brush ever, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop that right in the crease area, right in the outer corner, and I'm just gonna go windshield wiper motions. If you have a lot of excess skin, then it's going to be pulling it back and forth, so do not apply a lot of pressure. Do it really lightly and gently. If you're really young and you have nice tight skin, you can literally do it however you want, no wrong way. But if you are a little bit more on the older side and your skin does stretch and move around as you apply your eyeshadow, always make sure you're using very light pressure, because that way the color spreads evenly and you get a really nice transition. Should I come a little closer or is this okay? As you guys can see right there, that looks beautiful. And you get that really nice transition. It kind of deepens your eye socket and it gives you a little bit of warmth and color. I love using brown tones for olive skin tones, warmer skin tones, because it definitely brings out the natural shape of your face or your eyes. I zoomed in for you guys just so you guys can see, but you guys can see that wash of brown over my lid. It looks very natural and not so intense. So the next color that I'm gonna go ahead and pick up is this reddish brown right here. That reddish brown tone is called Balm, and I'm picking it up. Literally, I go perpendicular to my palette and pick it up right at the tip. That is how I usually pick up my eyeshadow, because I don't want too much and I want it right at the tip of my brush, so when I apply with that gentle pressure, it gives me the smoothest application, as if I worked so hard to blend this baby out, when really it's just the technique that I use to pick up and deposit the product. And if you guys want to define your crease a little bit, you can go in with a pencil brush. Let's go ahead and use this Chloe Morello palette. Sorry about the glare, my vanity light is lit. We're gonna go ahead and use this, I feel like these two shades right here are a bit similar. Let's see what that is. I guess they're not, they're different. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this color here. It's called Passion on my lid, and I'm literally going to swipe it on. When you swipe it, you get more color payoff. So I'm getting that little halo effect already, as you guys can see. I'm gonna do the same on this eye. And then to like blend the edges so you get no harsh edges, because sometimes when you do matte and then you do shimmer in the center, you get a harsh line. I just use a fluffy brush and just like marry the two together, just like that. And you won't get that harsh edge. It'll be very seamless. Whoa, I'm loving this, guys. I'm really digging this eyeshadow. Oh yeah, honey. I'm getting all type of vibes. I don't know about you, baby. All right, let's do that inner corner highlight. I'm sorry, Dulce Candy, you are my favorite and I have not used one palette of yours. Please forgive me. But I guess I'm gonna do my inner corner highlight using your highlighter palette right here. And I'm gonna go in with a pointed brush. I'm gonna use this one from Makeup Geek. It's just like a fluffy pencil brush. It's really fluffy at the top, but you know, it's really tiny, so it'll get into the inner corner perfectly. If you guys want to add a little bit more shimmer, more like reflectiveness, then definitely wet your brush and apply it, because that is what you'll get. Should I wet it? I think I will. I'm feeling a little flashy, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Pixi Glow Mist, because we are trying to glow today. And I'm just gonna spray it on the back of my hand, just like that. And I'm just gonna rub my brush back and forth on it so it could get a little damp. And for my highlight, I'm gonna be using Caramello right here. I'm just gonna pop that in my inner corner, just like that. Can you guys see that? I think I might need a little more. Oh, there you go. I can see it now. I'm glowing, baby. Yes, I am. Should I come close? Do I dare? I think I do. There you go, right there. What is that? What the heck is that? Oh my gosh, how embarrassing. It's an eye booger. We have cleaned the canvas. All right, there you go. Yes, 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 on all levels. All right, now time for eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and use the black liner duo from the Weylie Hoang collection, and I'm gonna go in with the pencil in my waterline first. My eye is so itchy right now because of allergies. This is kind of itching my eye, or scratch. It's like I'm scratching my eye and it feels so good. All right, I'm gonna stop being creepy. Let's do this without any distractions. It's not going on my waterline. So let me actually swatch this. Okay, I mean, it's going on my hand, but not on my eye. Like, I really gotta push it in. All right, I'm not a fan of the pencil part of this product at all. So I'm gonna go in with my Prestige Smoky Eye Pencil. I'm gonna go in my upper part. And I like that it's not skinny, so it doesn't feel like you're poking your eye with something super skinny. This has a nice thick tip, so it doesn't hurt. Alrighty. Oh my god, this eye is really turning red now. I'm kind of concerned, but I made a boo-boo. Let's clean it up. Clean up, everybody clean. Okay, code red, code red, code red. All right, now that the situation is under control, I'm gonna go in and use that same Weylie Hoang Duo eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the pen side now. So I'm just gonna, ooh, this is so nice and dark. I like also how long the felt tip is because it gives me some control, and instead of me dragging it, I can just stamp the product on, which gives me more control. I actually really like it. All right, guys, eyeliner is done, so we can move on to lashes. These are Elegant Lashes in RWSP. I get these from Namies, so if you're in LA, these are my favorite lashes on earth. They're only $1, and I'll show you guys how good these look, and you guys are definitely gonna buy it, trust me. You can thank me later. All right, one lash down, one to go, and that's it. Your lashes are fleeky, baby. What are you wearing, Lily lashes? No, I'm not, but they look so darn good. Am I right or am I wrong? All right, let's go ahead and move on to my lips. I was gonna do lips, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my cheeks first. I'm gonna go in with the Chloe Morello palette. Kind of lost my voice there, but I'm gonna go in with this palette right here and a fluffy blush brush from MAC. Let's go in with this pink shade. I don't know why this color is so pretty and I want to use it. Let's get in there. Look at how much I used. Tap off excess because you know there's a lot going on there. And I'm just going to smile and dab it on the cheeks. Dab it on the cheeks. Ooh. Hey cheeks. What's up? And by the way, I hope I'm not talking too much in this video. I hope you guys are liking what I'm filming you guys so far. So let's go ahead and go into the Dulce Candy highlighter palette. I'm gonna go in with this tone here. It's called Morenita, and I'm gonna be using an angled brush, and I'm gonna pick up some of that Morenita product. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but here goes nothing. Smile. Ooh. Wow. Whoa. Baby, come through. That was one swipe. Actually, that was more swipes, but I just picked up some of that product, and look at that glow. Yeah, this palette, guys, is definitely worth it. Look at that glow. I love it. Do you guys see the difference? There is not much dimension going on, but a ton of dimension going on over here. I love that highlighter. Am I glowing or what? I'm gonna apply some of that shimmer under my brow bone, right there. Pixified, baby. All right, moving on to lips. We're gonna move on to this Dulce Candy lip and blush duo. Should have used this as a blush, but I didn't, so it's okay. We can definitely move on. I'm gonna use a lip brush, if I could find that bad boy. Let's do this tone here. This is the color Floor. Ah, we got some pigment. I actually really love the color of this. Now, if you guys want to get the color to be as dark as this, you definitely need to layer the product. And I've layered this product about 3 times, so that way you can kind of see the color, the vibrancy, and you can kind of see your lips. This is practically the finished look. I'm kind of debating on whether or not to use this lip gloss. You know what? Screw it. Let's just use it. This is the Chloe Morello in Cake. Ooh, definitely gives that glossy wet look, which I'm kind of a fan of right now. That practically wraps up this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learned a little bit about how to apply eyeshadow and blush and all that good stuff. And again, if you guys want to know more about Pixi or, you know, purchase their products, you can definitely find them at your local Target store. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and comment below what your favorite product was and why. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!